Hi, I'm Nia. I learnt to speak Welsh in school. My family didn't speak much Welsh at home, it was mainly English, but they did choose to send me to a Welsh medium school in South Wales. When I first came to Bangor as an undergraduate, I was quite worried about being able to use the Welsh language skills that I had. I certainly didn't feel confident enough to use them to write my assignments, but I did want to practice those skills. After all, I'd worked hard to become a Welsh speaker, and I didn't want those skills being lost. So whilst at university, I made friends with people whose first language was Welsh. I had plenty of opportunities then to practice just speaking in social settings and in a relaxed, informal way that helped me develop my confidence. And through that, I started to think that I could develop those academic skills as well, that I did know how to phrase things in different ways to address different audiences. And I was able to that way develop my skills to the point where I'm now a lecturer in childhood and youth studies, and I teach in Welsh and in English. And that wouldn't have happened without that opportunity to really practice my skills here at Bangor University.